Today I'm going to solve this problem, not send message in special number like 4-digit, 5-digit number. In this case, today I'm going to show you how to solve this problem, not send message in 4 or 5-digit number. So let me show you. Sending a message once. It's not sending to special number. It's not sending SMS to 4-digit number. So today I'm going to solve this problem in my mobile phone. First of all, I'm going to open settings and scroll up here and go to apps options, and here tap on three dots on top right side corner and choose special access options, and then we need to choose these options. Use premium text message service. I'm going to open this settings, and here as you can see here set as never allow, and now I'm going to tap here, and now I'm going to choose always allow options, and now it's changed to never allow to always allow options. Now I'm going to now I come back to my message application, and now I'm create a new message here. I'm going to type recipient number, special number, 5-digit recipient number, and type some text here and send. Okay, as you can see, now we can send message to a special number, 5-digit recipient number from our mobile phone. Okay, I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will meet with another video. Till the next video, bye bye, namaste.